What's up, everybody? Are we recording? We are. Good morning, it's your boy Sosh Rue, and you're currently watching Sosh TV. We're not at the factory just yet. We're actually on our way to go pick up shirts this morning, and then we'll be headed right over there. I wanted to get this YouTube thing going for my New Year's resolution. That's what I said I was gonna push out these videos finally. Some of my videos that I do have online has been helping a few people out, so I'm like, might as well get deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. So today we're gonna be just giving it some overalls, the overall of the shop, overall what we do, overall of who I am, stuff like that. Right now we're picking up some shirts. If you're familiar with TSF, that changed now to S&S. That's their headquarters right here down in Florida, which is about 10 minutes away from my shop. They have, the bays and all that good stuff. So, placed the order last night, picking it up this morning. Got a few things to do. We're gonna be doing some screen printing today, some embroidery, and some transfers. So, let's get the day started. Once again, this is your boy Sosh Rue. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe, all that good stuff, if you want to stay updated with the latest videos. So we're going to be walking into the main office showroom. Can't tell me she's not sexy. Look at that thing. Look at that thing there with the promo on the side. All right, guys, I don't know about you, but now that we got our box, I need some coffee. Get my day going. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. Valid question, must know. Team Starbucks or Team Dunkin'? Y'all see what I'm drinking today. I ain't doing nothing special. So we going with the Dunkin'. But I just wanted to know, if you know, you know. So I want to know. And here we are pulling up to the shop, guys. Look at that thing. That's us right there. Let's start today. So what you're gonna realize about this channel, it's not your typical channel. I ain't following no rules. I'm making mistakes. I'm having ashy elbows. I'm not gonna cuss as much, but as far as redos and retakes, I try to keep that down to a minimum. On this channel, I'm just simply trying to educate, not trying to make it look pretty, because if I do, these videos will never get out. So, with that being said, welcome to the Sosh Factory. Welcome to the channel, Sosh TV. Hopefully you guys like, follow, and subscribe. Once again, hopefully you guys have a pen and pad so you can jot down these notes that I'm about to give you. This is the shop here. Overview real quick. Go ahead and bring that box in a second. But we got boxes of stuff that people need to pick up and stuff that we need to print already. Let's start off over here. So we got our front desk. You know what I mean? That's where I take my orders at. Customers come, all that good stuff. Order sheet. We'll talk a little bit about that soon. Probably not in this video, but just in general. Like I said, we're doing the overalls today. We also do the heat press. That comes in handy for transfers, vinyls, anything that requires heat. There's some patches where you can adhere them to the shirt using heat. Same thing with the hat press. Purchased by Stalls or manufactured by Stahl, excuse me. And like I said, here's some transfers here. Put your hat there, boom. And then that's sealed and dealed. Then we got the BN20. This thing prints out vinyl transfers, stickers, wall flares, static cling, you name it. It'll print it and cut it for you. Pretty cool. And then we got some threads along with our exposure unit. That's for screen printing. And then we have our drying rack, not drying rack, but our screen drying cabinet. It's also for screen printing. Here we have the embroidery machine, Ricoma 2-head, 20 needle. Pretty nice. Along with that, we got our hoop masters set up along with some hoops. I use the hoop masters and I don't use the ones that are up there, which are the OEM hoops. They're just a hassle to use, but we'll get into that a little bit later as well. We do the DTG. You got to have a pre-treatment machine along with your DTG unit. Let's back up a little bit. Here's our vinyl rack and, you know, stickers and foil and glitter. If it's vinyl, we keep it here. And this is another cutter. Our Roland GS24. I guess that, you know, your plotter, your cutter, all this does is cut. It doesn't print like the BN20 that prints and cuts. This just cuts. And we have our screen print press in the back here. So it is a little bit dirty. I'm not gonna lie, guys, like when I see people's press and stuff on YouTube and everything looks like this, you know, maybe you gotta get maintenance skills, but if you actually print, your board is gonna start to look like this. I don't care who you are, how you try. Yeah, we do the, okay. Yeah, we put the tape on it and stuff. So, you know, I don't want to hear no slick jokes about maybe if you use the palette tape, your board wouldn't look like that. Well, here you go. Little palette tape, which we'll show you guys in another video. Ow. Show you guys another video how that stuff works. And pretty much it's like tape. You put it down, you start printing on it. All the linked and stuff gets stuck to the tape. And then when you're ready to have a clean board, just go ahead and peel that stuff off. I'm gonna be here all day if I OCD's kicking in. Anyway, yeah, so that's palette tape. And then we have your printers, computers, and that's the overall of the shop. Your screen booth back there. I know my shop is a little junky. Not really. I mean, if you looked at other people's shops, you'd be like, damn, you know, it's not the cleanest, but definitely has some appeal to it. All right, so today we got to do a few things. Got to burn some screens. Got to print some shirts. We got some embroidery to do. And usually when I walk in here, I check the list up at the front, see whose job's up next. It's very important to keep a list of things to do. I don't care who you are, you will not remember it at all. Let's go ahead and plop you guys up real quick. All right. So today we got some screens to burn, some printing, some artwork to do, some more shirts to order, that's pretty much it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got about 23 jobs on the list, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. So if you are looking to get into screen printing or apparel decoration, right? So this season, whatever you want to call it, I'm not too sure, but we're gonna call this 30-day apparel decoration. We're gonna teach you a little bit about everything over the next 30 days. We'll get in detailed each video. Like I said, this is just an overall video, but we'll get detailed. We'll show you guys how to print. We'll show you guys how to reclaim screens. We'll show you guys how to create your stencils for your artwork on the vellum and print those out. We'll show you guys how to use the embroidery machine a little bit, along with the DTG machine and the print cut machine. What we won't do, so I don't know exactly what machine you have, or if you have the same capabilities as I do. I'm assuming that the people that are watching this video are beginner to moderate, so I don't expect you to go out and have the $30,000 DTG machine or $15,000 screen print press if you're just starting. So for the most part, we'll be going over the gist of things. If you do have any questions, make sure you put them in the comments, or you can message me. Definitely follow me on Instagram. You can find me at Soshru, or the company page at Sosh Factory. So yeah, I'm gonna try to cover as much as I can. Try not to bore you guys. Try to make it seem cool, or view it cool. What else did I want to get into? Oh yeah, there's gonna be a lot of these blank moments because we're doing this thing like off the dome. So I don't really want you guys to be like, oh my god, you don't know what he's talking about. Like I do. And you guys will see once we start having specific video topics, like how to load a t-shirt onto the press, or how to clean a screen. I'm going to focus more on that video, just on that topic. Like I said, this is the overall video, just giving out basics on what we do. As you guys know, this is a apparel decoration shop. I've been here since about 2014, so it's a little bit. I've been doing this for a while. I just haven't been on YouTube for some reason. I don't know why. I should have been showing you guys this stuff. As we expanded, I should have been recording it. I actually do have the recordings, I just never posted them. I just never liked the way they turned out. Kept messing up, and I'm a perfectionist, so I just was like, there's no way that I'm gonna show these people this video. But I don't know, nowadays it's like okay to be like, as is, it works. So you're getting these videos as is, so excuse any pauses or blank moments ahead of time. Like I said, I've been doing this since 2014, even sooner than that, like 2004, but we were in a different location. My dad started the business, and I took it over. So also there's a motorcycle shop next door, so if you guys are hearing any like mufflers or exhaust pipes, that's the reason. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and bring this box in, and then we'll talk a little bit more from there. Let's go. But first, you're gonna want to get your artwork situated. If you're using Photoshop or Corel Draw, whatever you decide to use, Canva, you pretty much just want negative images or negative text, all black, on your vellum. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And that's our second vellum printout. Now, just like in any Spider-Man movie, Stan Lee shows his appearance every once in a while, the creator of Spider-Man. At this shop, we have our own Spider-Man. That's Dan in the back there. He burns our screens and wears a few other hats at the shop. So today he's gonna be burning these while I work on some embroidery. We'll show you how he does that, bits and pieces of that. So yeah, I'm gonna hand these off to him and he's gonna get that started while I set up this embroidery machine.
Got it on me, I got options, real stepper. Check the shoes, get it poppin'.